Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I hide some toys in different place. Now I find these toys from this place. Please like my video, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. This is my bowl. Wow, look, here is a beautiful toy truck. It's a crane truck. Look, it's a minimal quality plastic crane truck. Wow, here is another one. It's train. Heavy plastic toy train. Steam engine. Whoa! This is another one. Transport container truck. White and green combination transport container truck. Oh, this is a sports car. White color. Low quality plastic toy sports car. Oh, another one. It's same quality, same car, but different color. It's full red color. Another toy sports car. Wow, look, beautiful toy. Red, white and black mixed excavator truck. Oh, here's another one. Wow, another sports car. It's light purple color. Same toy sports car. It's yellow color. Same sports car. You can call it racing car. Go for another one. Look, here see another beautiful toy vehicle. It's a bullet train. Blue color bullet train. Beautiful. High quality plastic toy. Look, here's another one. You can call it a tank truck. Oil carrier tank truck. Yellow, green. Yellow and green mixed color tank truck. Oh, police car. Toy police car. Here you fixed the battery. It's a battery control police car. Whistle light. Guys, it's really beautiful. And this plastic toy. These are beautiful. So everyone, this is all for today. See you in another video. Bye bye.